Okay, hi. This is lesson 10 in TCL Rivet server-side scripting, and this is Sarani Ahmed with you. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to use get and post variables to transport data between a number of pages, not just two. We used to use just two pages, like from page 1 till page 2, and that's it. And so every time, like I have, say I have page 1 and then page 2, I have just one and only one step here. Okay, just a step. But now I'm going to make like between 4 pages. Okay, so number 3 and number 4, and I have, let's make them wider. So I have the first step here, the second step here, and the third step here, and I want to move the data from page 1 till page 4. So this needs some kind of way just to do it. Okay, so this is where the hidden variables come. But from now, I'm telling you, this is not the professional way. This is just a way, okay, not like the real one that you're supposed to use. Okay, later when we get to sessions, you'll understand what I mean. Okay, after I finish this lesson. So we start first, like this is our page here. Okay, this is the starting page, and first of all I want to tell you that the pages are named as such. Okay, like they start with 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. They are for the same lesson. Here again in the names of the files that I'm using. So I'm using lesson 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, and this means that I'm passing the data from 10.1 till 10.4. Okay, now I'm showing you now how it works. So I type my own favorite car. So I start, for example, with a Mazda. I have a Mazda. So, and my favorite restaurant, maybe Pizza Hut, and then I submit again. And also please look at the address bar. So I'm now in Rivet 3. Okay, and then my favorite country, Palestinian. So that's it. So I moved the data from page 1 till page 4. Okay, now let's go back and see what has happened. Now this is just a normal page, just one form with one input, and here's the code. So this is lesson 10.1, the file, and as I said, this is just one input car, which is the car, and I'm using get method, and I'm passing the data now to lesson 10.2. Okay, and I press submit. This is the submit button. Okay, and then see, I'm also want to input the restaurant, but here outside of the table, because the table is just for formatting reasons, the input of the car, I use a hidden type. This is not formatted at all, so I can put it anywhere, but it has to be inside the form tag. Okay, so also this value has to be saved between every page. So that's why I used the value of the hidden type of the name car, okay, to be this one, and I'm using the varQS TCL procedure to get the value of the get variable named cars, and I also again set it again here. So when I press submit, this value will pass and shift also to the next page, which is lesson 10.3 RVT. Okay, so the same way I move to lesson 10.3 now, and I put the input type text as country, and then I press, here's the submit button. When I submit, it should go to lesson 10.4. okay, but now I want also to save the country and to save the car, because I want to pass them to the lesson 4, okay, to the lesson 10.4. fine. So this is what I get, and this is how I do it. So I put it again like this for a car, because this means for this has car. This takes car, it saves it for itself, it sends it for number 3, okay, then goes again, puts them into sub number 3, and then number 3 should pass them to number 4, and this way and this way and this way. You move from page to page this way until you finish them. But this is so daunting, okay? So in the end, this is lesson 4, and lesson 4 takes the car and country and western. So this is very daunting just to keep up with the variables. Okay, so the best way to do it is later when we do sessions. Sessions keeps them somewhere in the database and then moves them from anytime at any page you want. You just call for the session ID and that's it. So just for now we have to wait until we know how to set up sessions, and then later we move on how to use them. Thanks for watching. Please press subscribe, and please also press and type for your comments. Okay, thanks.